Welcome back to day 5 of the Illuminate Your Soul Goals 21-day alignment adventure. Today's focus is all about creating space, physically and mentally, through the simple act of decluttering one small space. Let's be honest, clutter isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional too. When we're surrounded by mess or unfinished tasks, our energy gets scattered, our focus gets divided, and our goals can feel just out of reach. But here's the thing, you don't have to declutter your entire home today. You just need to focus on one small space. It could be a desk drawer, a corner of your room, your email inbox, or even your phone's photo library. The goal is to create a little pocket of order and clarity. Here's your action for today. Choose one small space to declutter. It might be a single drawer in your desk, your phone's home screen, delete unused apps, your email inbox, clear a handful of old emails, or a small corner of your living space. Set a timer for 10 minutes and just get started. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Just focus on one space, one task, and one little win. When you're done, step back, take a breath, and notice how it feels to have that one little area cleared. It's not just about the physical space. It's about the mental space you're creating too. Once you've completed your decluttering, I'd love to know, what space did you choose? How did it feel once it was clear? Drop a comment below this video, or if you're sharing on your own social media, use our hashtag #IlluminateYourSoulGoals so we can celebrate your progress together. Sometimes the smallest shifts create the biggest ripples. Remember, every little step counts. Decluttering one small space isn't just about what you're removing. It's about the space you're creating for something new, something aligned. If you haven't yet, download your free tracker at theglobalbutterfly.com/free-tracker to keep track of your progress. And if you'd like some extra tools and prompts to guide you deeper, you can grab the bonus playbook at theglobalbutterfly.com/goal-tracker-playbook. Make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube so you don't miss tomorrow's video, because each day we're taking one beautiful step closer to your soul goals. And remember, this is completely free and open source. Share this video with a friend, tag them, and invite them to join us. The more the merrier. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 6, where we will continue illuminating your soul goals. One step, one breath, one aligned action at a time. Take a moment to appreciate your cleared space and know you're creating room for something incredible.